Hello and welcome to Console Accessories, and in today's video, can you guess what I've got for you? Correct, the Mario Kart Racing Wheel Pro Deluxe from Hori. Now this came out in the UK today. I believe it's been out in the US for a while now, and I'm going to unbox it for you. So let's get straight in. Okay, so on the front is the wheel and just a bit of blurb on the sides, some of the pedals that you get with it. On the back, Mario Kart Racing Wheel Deluxe Mario Kart, textured rubberized grip and programmable buttons. Includes the foot pedals and the wheel mounted paddle shifters, so we'll get it mounted on this table here. Included steering wheel, foot pedals, clamp, screw, suction cup, instruction manual. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this out, get it all out just to show you what it looks like, and then we'll cut away and we'll get it set up. And then I'm going to do in later videos, I'm going to do some testing of it. So let's get this out. First thing, instruction manual. Yeah, we might need that later, not in a minute. What's this? This looks like some sort of, that looks like a clamp. So that'll leave the clamp for underneath it. Suction cups. Five of them. And this. To clamp it on to tighten it up. The pedals. I mean, it's plasticky, but that's a really good, that's quite stiff, that is. Yeah, it's quite stiff. And then you've got your cable, which I guess plugs into the wheel. Then here we have it. Here we have the wheel. Lovely. That really is a beautiful thing. Really nice. Okay, so I don't even know this wheel is from Hori, and it is virtually an exact replica of the Racing Wheel Apex for the PS4, which Hori also do as well, but they just recoloured it and stuck a Mario logo in the front there. Now this costs $100. The PS4 version costs $100, and in the UK this will cost you about £82, and the PS4 wheel is £80. So they've not really added too much price onto it, although they've changed the colour and stuck a Mario logo on it. You'd think, being Nintendo, they would have stuck a premium tax in it, but they haven't, which is nice. So let's go over it. So we've got plastic at the top here. So this is kind of hard plastic, and this is kind of grippy rubber. So it's texturized as well, so it's nice and grippy. Your ZR there, round to the bottom, this is all plastic as well, and plastic there, and then again a rubber there, and ZL. Your D-pad, LSB, I don't know what that is, I'll work that out, and RSB, so I guess that's left side bumper, right side bumper. And then item and a sign, and then we've got, looks like screen grab, home, plus and minus. So I assume you can assign programmable buttons, that's what it said, wasn't it? X, Y, A and B. And then on the side here you've got your flat reflect. Look at that, listen to that. That's a satisfying click if ever I heard one. Lovely. And then your fluffy paddle gearbox. And then over here, bit of Mario Kart branding. Again, a plastic shell with a cable on it. Let's have a look so you can see how long this cable is. Yeah, look at that. It's huge. Guessing it's going to be about a 10-foot cable. That is. That will plug into your dock, and then yeah, that's it up. And then on the back here, got that. That's where the pedals plug into. We saw the the cable for this. That'll go straight in there. And once I've clamped it to the desk, that's nice. It feels really good. So it pings back quite a lot. I mean, that's quite a spring, isn't it? And how far does it go all the way around? So there we go. Look at that. What's that? Just under 180 degrees. What would that be? About 175 degrees, 170 degrees, maybe 160, 70 degrees. And then around the other way as well. Okay. Buttons feel really good. These feel really good. The wheel itself, holding it here, feels great. With a flat bit under there. And you put your suction cups, you put your 5 suction cups on there. So get your suction cup, put it in there, I guess, and just twist it, I guess. Oh, I can't do it one-handed, but there we go, you put your suction cups in there. And then it would stick to the desk. Anything else in the box? I don't think so. No, that's your box empty. That's your kit. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get it set up onto the desk, and I'll quickly whiz through this just to see how easy it is to set up. Okay. Okay, here we have it. I've got it all set up now, and I just wanted to run through a few things and just what I found out and how I actually got it set up. Now, when you want to clamp it to the desk, we have these suction pads on. You take these suction pads off. So this is if you just want it resting on your desk, you don't want it clamped, put them on. If not, take these off and then you can clamp it. Now my desk is a bit of an angle at the front there, so it doesn't go as far onto it as I'd like. Having said that, this is really on quite well, quite stiff. That's not going to come off unless I properly yank it, which I'm not going to do, but that would come off. So yeah, really pleased. I'm really pleased. That's a good fit on there. And there's a couple of other things on here that I found out. There's a little switch on the top here that's DP, LS and RS, and you can change the directional pad to be directional pad, the left stick or the right stick. I haven't worked out a use or benefit for that yet. And it says in the instruction manual there's some software it doesn't work for, so I guess there's a reason for it at the moment. Just got to work that out yet. Other things as well, so we tried to work out the angles earlier. It's 270 degrees from here to here. You can change that to be 180, the sensitivity to 180, and you do that by holding those two down, and this blue light will come on for 3 seconds. If you press that, that light will come on for 3 seconds, off it goes, and now you've got the 180. You can also activate dead zones as well. If you're going to customize it that much, you press the assign button, then you press the plus button, and then you press up and down the D-pad to sort out the dead zone. You can adjust the sensitivity. Again, you hold down the assign button for 3 seconds, then you hit the plus button, and you hit this switch here to the middle bit, which is LS, the left stick, and then you can change the sensitivity using the D-pad. It also has assign buttons as well, so you can assign any of these buttons to any of these buttons. So you would hold down assign, then you press the button you want to program, which has ZR, ZL, SB, all sorts, and then you can change it to whichever one you want. So for example, if you wanted A to be on the down there, you hold down assign, hold down that one, and then hold down, and it would assign it to that for you. Again, I haven't worked out what I would be doing yet. I'll probably jump into a few games, and if I feel like I need to assign one, I'll be doing that. And then we also have a button hold function. So how you do this, you would hold down the item for 1 second and the red LED would turn on. There. And then you would press whichever button you want down, press, and that would hold it down there once you pressed it. Then all I do when you want to reset it is just hold that down for 3 seconds. Green, and then I'll just press that and it resets everything, so it'll be back to normal. So all in all, this is a really nice piece of kit. As I say, I've got Mario Kart up there. Love it. go on a Grand Prix, but it feels really good so far. I probably need to do the 180 mode to get it a little bit more sensitive, but let's get that angle so that's nice so we can see that. There we go. So I assume it accelerates A, so we'll be using the pedals down there. You can't see, but I'll be holding the pedal down. And of course I'm going to do a rubbish start. Yeah, look, so this isn't very sensitive, is it? It's 270 all the way around there. I'm going to be hitting the corners really badly. Yeah, that's not great. That's just too sensitive. I'd need it up to the 180 to get a real fun, because then I'll be over. I'm doing an extra amount of steering. Yeah, okay. So I would need to tweak around with the settings a little bit before we can actually make a do with that. Let's just have some on that. Go on, let's have some on that just in case. Okay, so really like this, really good quality. Really pleased with the quality of that. And what I'm going to do now is in another video, I'm just going to go through a few other games, see what it's compatible with, and see if we need to change anything or tweak anything. But obviously it works with Mario Kart because that's what it's designed for. Okay, any questions about it? Please let me know if you've got any. If you've got this, or if you're thinking about picking it up, do let me know. Let me know in the comments below. And a thumbs up and a like would be super appreciated. Okay, to the next video. Bye bye.